Hello. Today's expression is mind your own business. Mind your own business. You have various phrases, expressions. This is something like no te metas en asuntos míos or that sort of thing, where somebody asks you something personal and you say, hey, mind your own business. No es asunto tuyo. But you can also say it in a nice way, in a friendly way. For instance, somebody can say, Ian, how old are you? And it goes, mind your own business. So it's tone of voice. It can be very serious or it can be very light. But it just means I'm not going to answer that. How much money do you earn? How much did you pay for your car? Personal information you don't want to tell, you say, mind your own business. Okay, now, this is interesting. In English, we try to give an image of an event so that people can see it when you're explaining. And for instance, I would say, I am standing here talking to you now. We always use one of the postures. So standing, sitting, or lying. I have some examples here. The man was standing here. The man was standing here. So you could say he was here, but we say he was standing here because I want you to have a picture in your head of a man standing there. The bottle is standing in the fridge. A bottle is a tall object, and tall objects, anything that can fall over easily, stands. Let me find, there's a bottle. There we go, there's a bottle of wine. If it's easy to knock over, okay, si se puede tumbar fácilmente, es un objeto alto. So this is standing. The wine, the bottle, is standing on the table. Understand? She is sitting over there. Where is your sister? Oh, she is sitting over there. So when you go over there, you ignore all the people standing and lying on the floor in the hospital. You look at the girl sitting over there because you have an image of her sitting. The sack of potatoes is about 50 pounds, I think it is. Very big, heavy object that sits on the ground. You cannot push it over like the wine. So a sack of potatoes or a bag of flour, anything which is stable is sitting, or actually sitting. Okay, so Roberto is sitting on my hand. Roberto is standing on my hand. Roberto is lying on my hand. I'm giving you an image that you can see. The old man was lying in bed. The old man, that's me, was lying in bed. Because of course you could be sitting on your bed, you could be lying on your bed or in your bed, or you could be standing on your bed. Children stand on their beds. We're giving the image. The dog was lying beside the fire. So dogs sit and dogs lie and dogs stand as well. So we're giving that description. But we do this automatically. When you translate it into Spanish, you don't have to. You can just say, the man was there. The dog was by the fire. You don't have to. But remember, when you are going from Spanish to English, try to remember saying standing or sitting or lying. Okay? And remember, the trick is, can it fall over? If it can fall over, it is standing. The book, that's a book standing on the table. The book is lying on the table. So anything that is tall, that can lay down, is lying on the table. Is that clear? There's some pictures there. Bottle of wine. You see, it's a tall object. That is standing. That's a bag. It's sitting on the floor. It's stable. And there is the same bottle of wine, tumbada, so it is lying there. Okay, hope this makes sense. Thank you. Bye-bye.